Hi crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is our collaboration, my collaboration with Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube. You'll check out her link down below and subscribe to her as well. She's a wonderful, very creative, crafty lady. Today you get two for the price of one. I'm doing a 3-pocket and a 2-pocket card, and they're done exactly the same way. So let me show you how to do the 3-pocket first. I'll open up my paper. You start with a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half, open it, fold it in half, and open it. Then at the bottom, you'll fold this up to the fold line. Very simple. The top quadrant, you're going to make it measure in 2, so I'm using my mat here. So 2 inches by 2 inches, you'll see those points, and fold it. Then at the bottom quadrant, you're going to do 3 inches. So I'm finding a corner here, I'm measuring at 3 inches by 3 inches and folding it. Now you can cut these or you can leave them as they are. This actually is going to be folded under, and you'll see why in just a moment. So what you want to do is fold it in half, the lengthwise, and then fold it up. And there's your card, simple as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and you can put tags in there, you can put pictures in there, you can put a sentiment in there, whatever you would like to do. Now, for the 2-pocket card, same thing. 8.5 by 11, fold it in half, open it, fold it in half, and open it. The bottom quadrant, you want to fold that in, and the other side you want to fold in as well. Then the top, I don't even measure it, I'm just going to bring it in about 1.5 inches or so and fold it just as long as it's straight, and you'll be able to tell. Then you fold this in half and see how these match, and fold it up 2 pockets. So simple. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. You don't have to cut anything if you don't want to. This, you can cut this piece here if that's what you wish to do, but you don't even have to do that. So on these, all you need to do is then put some adhesive on this edge, and this edge. You want to keep them open so you can put whatever it is that you want in there. And on this one, you have an extra piece to put adhesive on right here, and down here below, and on this side, on the inside. And that's all there is to it. Simple as you can imagine. A 2-pocket and a 3-pocket folded card. There you go. I hope you'll go craft and go check out Paige if you haven't already. We'll talk to you later. Bye.